This luxury hotel, the Festival City Shopping Mall and Marina. In this area on your right, you can see the purpose-built Dowry Bridge, inaugurated by His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Rashid Al Maktoum in 1993. It has berthing facilities for 250 persons. Although many dhows continue to line up along the busy quayside of the creek to maintain the picturesque contrast of the past and the future. Set further back beyond the bridge, you can see the famous Clock Tower, which was one of the first landmarks to be built in Dubai back in 1966. The new glass tower on the right is the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry building, opened in April 1995. It has an auditorium, theatre, conference facilities, and hosts many seminars and exhibitions throughout the year. The building next door under the curved glass is the National Bank of Dubai's headquarters. Just beyond here is the Economic Department, where commercial trade licenses and business development is originated. You can also see two prestigious office and residential towers, both having helipads on the rooftop. If you look on the left, you can see the top of the magnificent Burj Khalifa, the tallest tower in the world. Standing at an incredible 828 meters and 160 stories, Burj Khalifa is named after the President of the United Arab Emirates, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The tower took 6 years and 22 million man-hours to complete. Besides being the world's tallest building, it also holds some other world records, such as being the tallest freestanding structure, having the highest number of stories and the highest occupied floor in the world. Burj Khalifa complex houses 3 luxury hotels, the Dubai Fountain, the Burj Downtown Residential District, and of course, the world's largest shopping mall like total area, the Dubai Mall. The mall boasts an impressive collection of high fashion boutique shops, high-flying department stores, restaurants, cinemas, and entertainment venues. It also houses the Dubai Aquarium and an ice rink. The Burj Khalifa is located just at the start of Sheikh Zayed Road, which takes you to the Jumeirah Beachfront Hotel, Palm Island, Dubai Internet and Media City, and many new residential towers, and privately owned villas in Emirates Hill, the Meadows, and many new developments. It is also the main link road to Abu Dhabi. On your right-hand side is one of the first 5-star hotels in Dubai, the Sheraton Hotel and Towers, opened in 1978. This is one of the few hotels overlooking the creek. Others include the Carlton and Riviera Hotel and the Radisson Blu. In the foreground, you can see the Vivaldi Italian Terrace restaurant, which offers full-day dining and live entertainments in the evening. On both sides of the creek, you will see a variety of different private boats. Although most owners keep their yachts and fishing boats on the luxurious marinas along the coastline. Just along here, set back behind the hotel on the right, is the Emmys Star Tower, an architectural landmark fitted with sophisticated communications equipment in its rooftops here. This is the first telecommunications company in the Emirates, which was founded in 1976. Looking back over to the left, you can see the distinct many hotels of the Emirates Towers, located just before the Burj Khalifa. Standing at just over 350 meters, the smaller of the two towers houses a 400-bedroom luxury hotel with over 10 restaurants and lounges, 40 retail outlets, and covered parking. usual